Hello, my name is Carmen and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very typical plate here in Spain. It's called tortilla de patatas and it's basically fried potatoes with egg.
We need oil, 6 potatoes, 4 eggs and half an onion. First, we will take the oil and pour it into a pan. Later, we will peel all the potatoes in this way and we will cut them into little slices. We will add salt and we will mix them. After that, we are turning on the fire and we are putting the potatoes into the pan. This is how it should look like. I have added a little bit more of oil because it was going to take a long time to get cooked. Now it's time to cut the onion. As I said before, half an onion is usually enough, but it depends on the size. I usually cut it into quite big pieces because I like the taste, but you can do whatever you want. After it is all cut, we put it with the potatoes. Then we need to crack the eggs, add a little bit of salt, and beat them. Now it's time to mix the potatoes with the eggs, and the way you should do it is like this. Once we have already prepared the mix, we will take a new pan and put a little bit of olive oil in it. Now that the oil is hot, we pour our potatoes into the pan. This is probably the most difficult step, but it's only because it's too heavy. Anyways, we need a plate and we turn the omelette like this. Now we should wait around 1 minute more so the other side of the omelette can get cooked. And this is the magnificent result. I don't have words to describe how good is this. So just try and make it because it's so delicious.
Thank you for your attention. I really hope you like my recipe. Bye.